So me in my element, I enjoy church. Me and Sister Valerie sing him, then sings my soul, my Savior God. The next thing now, me hear my phone. My phone in my pocket. My phone just go, nah. Me say, what that? I pull up the phone and tell me about emergency alert test. Me ask you something, government. What the fuck you planning? What the fuck? Let me tell you something. Me know what going on in Russia, you know, me not a fool in the street. Me know what going on in Russia, so I want to know what the fucks you are planning. Right? And let me tell you something. You don't have to bell off my phone, so. And mess with my heart. You don't have to do that. Right? When me there at church, I look front. You don't have to do that. If you have something to tell me, you call me blood clot phone. And tell me what going on. If me have to evacuate, you call me phone and tell me say me have to evacuate. You don't murk on my phone. Because you don't pay the bill. Me pay the blood clot bill. So line up on yourself. And whatever you're planning, let me tell you something. You better call me and tell me quick. So me can go yard. Because me will get on my flight and go yard and go back home. I'm not afraid. Don't mess up my plans again. And when me there at church, I look front. Don't disturb me. Bitch.